I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Creating an account on Xoom is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Visit the Xoom website. Go to the official Xoom website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you read on the correct site to avoid any phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Look for the Sign Up button on the home page. This will take you to the registration form where you can start creating your account. Step 3. Fill out your information. Enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the email you provide is valid, as you will need it for verification. Gotcha! Double-check your email for typos. A small mistake can delay the verification process. Step 4. Set a password. Before changing your settings, use the Xoom link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 5. Verify your email. Check your email inbox for a verification link from Xoom. Click on the link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Now you're all set up on Xoom. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble creating your account. Happy transferring!